Hello my dear friends, welcome to my channel. This is the Sanjay Lake in East Delhi. It is in the middle of the Sanjay Lake Park. You can see a lot of water birds over here. Some of them are ducks, possibly the American Pekin ducks. And locally people call it the hunts or the swans. There are pockhards, wagtails, and people say, see these possibly are the American Pekin ducks, not swans. The people here say that these are the swans, not ducks. See, these birds are fearless because people come here, visitors who feed them too. So they come very close by. See, they are flapping their wings and I'm very close to them, a little afraid too, thinking that they may attack me. They may think that humans may attack them. Anyway, thank you for your time. Bye.